watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials. And don't forget to click the bell notification so that you will be notified with my new video upload. So guys, thank you and I hope to see you soon on my next video. God bless you. Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do a contouring. I've already shown at the previous video how to do basic concealing and highlighting together with the basic makeup foundation. Alright? So, contouring. Contouring kasi it's how you want to make your face smaller. Contouring is ano yung dapat nyo i-hide sa face shape nyo. Please also note that doing a contouring, you have to know first also what is your face shape. So if you are a round face, square face, inverted triangle face, diamond face, heart shape face. So you have to determine first kung ano shape ng face natin. In my case, I am a square face. So a square face shape is, it has a prominent forehead like me and wider yung jaw area ko. So contouring, you have to use 2 to 3 shades darker than your skin tone. And you can use powder. After mo iset yung foundation mo, you can use a contouring powder. But in my case, I really want to make my makeup last longer if there's an occasion or sa wedding ginagawa namin to. We use a cream type and then we set it with contouring powder. Right? So, I'm going to start. I'm going to use a darker brown. Mas maganda kasi yung cooler brown type ng contouring powder, contouring cream. So, lalagyan mo ng konti. And then, I will take my foundation brush na ginamit ko. And then, I'm going to put a little contouring cream. So, since I have a square shape face, so I'm going to hide this area ng forehead ko. Alright? So, it's like a 3 fingers kasya sa forehead ko. So, gano'n yung area. So, since malaki forehead ko, yun yung measurement ng contouring ko. Please note, when you're doing contouring, make sure na hindi nagsiseparate yung color. Kailangan well-blended siya. And kung nakikita ko yung parang separate ng color, just blend it with the sponge. Okay. Next is, since I have a wider jaw, I have to hide my jaw, create a definition na, or illusion na slim yung jaw ko. So, importante also that you know your face shape. Blend it well. a powder foundation, set nyo, use a bigger brush, or you could use also sponge there. Dramatic, and it really has more lasting makeup if yung ginagawa namin as a professional artist. After we set everything with translucent powder, by the way, I'm using RCMA. Then that's the time that I'm going to set my contouring cream powder na ginawa ko with a contouring powder. Okay? So, kuha lang ako ng brush. It's either pointed or semi-round. So, again, I'm going to apply this contouring powder. This is from Makeup Forever in the shade of Sculpting Kit number 2. So, I'm going to put this on the areas where I Tap the excess. Just follow kung ano yung kinontour natin kanina. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you learned something from me. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell notification so that you will be updated on my new video uploads. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you on my next video. Thank you guys. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for the love. God bless you. Bye!